Meet the individual who consumed the most ultra-processed foods in a single sitting and learn about the shocking effects on their health, including a trip to the emergency room. In 2019, Randy Santman set the record for most ultra-processed foods consumed in one sitting. He ate 120 items, including 21 pizzas, 18 burgers, and 12 chicken nuggets, in just 8 hours. After the challenge, Randy experienced severe stomach pain, nausea, and vomiting, leading to an ER visit. Doctors diagnosed him with acute gastroenteritis, a condition caused by consuming contaminated or spoiled food. Randy's blood sugar levels skyrocketed to 240 mg/dl, more than triple the normal level, after the challenge. This experiment highlights the dangers of excessive ultra-processed food consumption and its impact on masses of excessive ultra-processed food consumption. Saffron has been used for centuries to treat depression, anxiety, and even cancer. Saffron, the world's most expensive spice, has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. The active compound crocin in saffron has potent antidepressant and anti-anxiety effects. Saffron's antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties have shown to inhibit cancer cell growth. In clinical trials, saffron supplements have improved symptoms of depression by up to 50%. Saffron's neuroprotective properties may also help slow down age-related cognitive decline. Consuming saffron has been shown to reduce symptoms of PMS, including mood swings and bloating. Discover the KonMari method for packing with zippers, and learn how to use zippers to maximize space and organization in your luggage, from Marie Kondo herself. Marie Kondo's KonMari method emphasizes joyful, organized packing with zippers. The KonMari method involves packing clothes in zipper bags to maximize space. Zipper pouches help prevent clothes from getting wrinkled or creased during travel. Using zippers allows you to compress items, making luggage more efficient. Marie Kondo recommends folding clothes into small rectangles for zipper packing. By using zippers, you can easily categorize and access your belongings on the go. Learn 3 simple hacks to repurpose old floppy disks, from jewelry to plant markers, and get creative. The first floppy disk was invented in 1967 by IBM, revolutionizing data storage. Floppy disks were originally read-only, with write capability added later in the 1970s. The 3.5-inch floppy disk, introduced in 1984, became the most widely used format. A single floppy disk can hold up to 1.44 megabytes of data, a tiny amount by today's standards. Floppy disks are made of a flexible magnetic material coated with iron oxide, making them recyclable. Upcycling old floppy disks reduces electronic waste and gives new life to outdated technology. Explore the critically endangered Asiatic cheetah, with fewer than 50 individuals remaining in the wild, and learn about the conservation efforts to protect this majestic species. The Asiatic cheetah is a subspecies of cheetah found only in Iran, with a population of less than 50 individuals. Historically, Asiatic cheetahs roamed across the Middle East and India, but their range has drastically declined. Habitat loss, human-wildlife conflict, and poaching have contributed to the species' critical decline. Conservation efforts, including camera traps and habitat protection, are underway to monitor and safeguard the remaining population. Iran has launched initiatives to educate local communities about the importance of cheetah conservation and reduce human-cheetah conflict. Did you know that 70% of people with irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, experience anxiety and depression? 70% of people with irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, experience anxiety and depression. The brain and gut are connected through the gut-brain axis, influencing each other's function. Stress can alter gut bacteria, leading to physical symptoms like bloating and pain. Mindfulness practices have been shown to reduce IBS symptoms by up to 40%. The placebo effect proves that our minds can heal our bodies even when we're unaware. By addressing mental health, we can improve our physical well-being and overall quality of life. Go behind the scenes of the Vatican City, the smallest country in the world, and explore the hidden archives, secret passages, and mysterious artifacts that lie within its ancient walls. The Vatican City is the smallest country in the world, with a population of just over 800 people. The Vatican's secret archives, established in 1612, contain over 50 miles of shelving for ancient documents. The Sistine Chapel's ceiling painted by Michelangelo, is home to over 300 figures on its ceiling. The Vatican's Pio Clementino Museum houses over 1,000 ancient Greek and Roman sculptures. The Vatican's hidden passages include the Passetto di Borgo, a 1,000-foot-long secret corridor. The Vatican's treasures include the oldest known Bible, the Codex Vaticanus, dating back to 325 AD. In 1902, the eruption of Mount Pelée destroyed the town of Saint-Pierre, Martinique, killing 28,000 people and burying the town under a thick layer of volcanic ash and pumice. Mount Pelée, a volcano on Martinique, erupted on the 8th of May 1902 with devastating consequences. The eruption destroyed the town of Saint-Pierre, which was once the largest city on the island. A pyroclastic flow, a deadly cloud of hot ash and gas, buried the town under 10 feet of debris. The eruption killed 28,000 people, leaving only 2 survivors, a prisoner and a young girl. The town was abandoned and left untouched for over 100 years, a eerie ghost town. Today, Saint-Pierre is a popular tourist destination, with ruins and museums telling its tragic story. Discover how the golden ratio, phi, governs the arrangement of petals in flowers like the rose and sunflower, and explore the mathematical harmony of nature. The golden ratio, phi, is an irrational number approximately equal to 1.618033988875. Many flowers, like roses and sunflowers, exhibit phi in their petal arrangements and spiral patterns. The number of petals in a flower often follows the Fibonacci sequence, a series of numbers closely related to phi. In sunflowers, the number of spirals in each direction is often 34 and 55, adjacent Fibonacci numbers. The golden ratio is thought to provide optimal packing and exposure to sunlight, increasing a flower's chances of survival. The presence of phi in flowers is a testament to the mathematical harmony underlying the natural world. Count down the top 5 longest winning streaks in the English Premier League, featuring teams like Manchester City, Chelsea, and Liverpool. The English Premier League has witnessed 15 unbeaten runs of 10-plus games since its inception in 1992. Manchester City holds the record for the longest winning streak in the Premier League with 18 consecutive wins. Chelsea's 13-game winning streak in the 2016-2017 season earned them 39 points, a Premier League record. Liverpool's 17-game winning streak in the 2019-2020 season saw them score 52 goals, an average of 3.06 per game. Arsenal's 14-game winning streak in the 2001-2002 season remains the longest unbeaten run in their Premier League history. The top 5 longest winning streaks in the Premier League have all occurred since 2000, highlighting the